Hi, we're just going to be changing this switch today. Got a new one here. So to get that out, you just need to push the switch in and turn it right, and you'll see that wee tab just flick down. So you push it in, turn it, and the wee tab locks down like that, and then just release it back that way. So let's do that in this one. So push it in, turn right, and kick off. And then there's a wee push down, and then that comes off. And it's just the opposite, put it back on. So slot that in, and then actually push back and lock it in, twist it out, and then just push it back in. And that's us. Thanks.